Good morning, children. I hope and trust that you all are preparing for your exam. So, children, as we are on 6th chapter, today we will take one more topic from that chapter, that is 6.2 and 6.3, that is measurement of cardiovascular fitness, Harvard step test, Rockport test, and also computation of fitness index. So, we will discuss all the tests one by one. So children, before proceeding further, first we will talk about cardiovascular fitness. Children, it is the ability of a heart and lungs to supply oxygen-rich blood to the working muscle tissues, and the ability of the muscle to use that oxygen to provide energy for movement. Okay. And now we will discuss about Harvard step test. Children, it is a cardiovascular fitness test and we can also call it aerobic fitness test. Or in simple word I can say this test help us to measure the cardiovascular fitness, okay? And this test is developed by Bruha in 1943 and the purpose was to develop the test is to measure the cardiovascular fitness, okay? And now I will tell you some equipment which we require to do the test. So we basically need a gym box, or I can say we need a box of 20-inch height for men's, and for women we require only 16 inches height, okay? And one stopwatch and also cadence tape. Now we will discuss the procedure. So basically in this test the athletes stand in front of the bench, or I can say in front of box, and on the command of go the athletes step up and step down on the bench. Simultaneously the stopwatch is also switched on and the athlete will continuously perform step up and step down for 5 minutes, and after that the athlete sits down immediately and we have to take 3 times heartbeat counts, like for 30 seconds we have to take, okay? So the first heartbeat count will be taken in between 1 to 1.5 minute, then the second count will be taken in between 2 to 2.5 minute, and the third will be taken between 3 to 3.5 minutes. And now I will tell you how we can calculate the athlete fitness index score with the help of a formula. So as you can see in this slide, the formula to calculate fitness index score is equals to 100 into test duration in second divided by 2 into sum of heartbeats in recovery periods. So children, through this formula we can calculate the fitness index score, okay? So children, with the one example we will understand more about that. So as you can see here, if the total test duration was 300 seconds and the number of heartbeats between 1 to 1.5 minutes was 90, and between 2 to 2.5 minutes was 80, and between 3 to 3.5 minutes was 70, then the fitness index score will be, see, we use that formula, okay? Just like in last slide I show you about that. So the formula was 100 into test duration in seconds divided by 2 into sum of heartbeat in recovery period, right? So same formula I applied here. So 100 into 300. Why I took 300? Because the total time, I mean the total duration is 300 seconds, right? Divided by 2 into 240. Why I took 240? Because the sum of the heartbeats are 90 plus 80 plus 70 is equals to 240, right? So we got this number 62.5. So as you can see here, I have mentioned a chart also of the fitness index score. So children, we have to keep one thing in our mind: the score and the rating for male and female will be different, okay? As you can see here, like below 90 score is given excellent for the male, and below 86 score will be given excellent for female, okay? So same like other also, you have to learn this chart, okay? And now I will tell you some advantages of Harvard step test. So the first one is minimum equipment are required for conducting this test. So children, as I already told you, we required only 3 things to conduct this test, that is bench, stopwatch and cadence tape, right? Now the second one is it require minimal cost, and the last one is it is simple to set up and conduct. But children, we have some disadvantages of this test also. Like there are differences in biomechanical characteristic among individual. But the height of the box, or I can say the bench, remains same for tall individual also and short individual also, right? So that is the disadvantage of this test. And now we will discuss second test, that is Rockport 1 mile test. Children, it is also called Rockport fitness walking test. Okay, so don't get confused in the exam. And this test is suitable for sedentary individual. And the objective of this test is to check and I can say observe the development of individual maximum volume of oxygen. And we required equipments like only 400-meter track, stopwatch and weighing scale. Okay, now I will tell you the procedure to conduct this test. So before explaining you the procedure, I want to tell you one thing. Children, whenever we conduct this test, we have to keep one thing in our mind, that it should be a windless day. Okay. So first of all, we have to take the body weight of an individual on perfect weighing machine. And one more thing, we should not, when we are taking our, or I can say measuring our weight, so we should wear minimum clothes. Okay. And then we have to mark the starting point on a 400-meter track. Okay. And the individual has to run the distance of 1 mile, I mean 1609 meter in minimum time. Okay. So we have to record the time of an individual with the stopwatch, and immediately after finishing the 1 mile walk or run, record the heartbeat. Okay. Or we can use ECG also or EEG also to get accurate heart rate. Okay. Now we will discuss calculation of maximum volume oxygen. Okay. Children, with the help of this formula, we can calculate maximum volume of oxygen, that is 132.853 minus 0.0769 into body weight minus 03877 into age plus 6.135 into gender, then minus 3.2649 into time minus 0.1565 into heart rate. I know this formula is too big, but you have to learn this. Okay. So children, we have to keep one more thing in our mind, that weight should be in pounds. Okay. And in place of gender, if we are calculating for male, so we have to put 1. And if we are calculating for female, we have to put 0 in place of gender. Okay. And after calculating maximum volume of oxygen, the comparison of the individual can be done with the result of previous test. Okay. Children, there are some advantages of Rockport 1 mile test, like minimum equipment are required in this test. Second one is, this test is very simple to conduct. And the last one is, this test can be conducted on more than one individual at a time. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope this topic is clear to all. And if you have still any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.